One of my bro them pay me $150 one day if he literally stay at my house and wait for one package. He said he couldn't miss it, but he have to go to work. I may actually stay there and wait for the package. And the package actually come. So call this up on a Sunday, my bro link me and say, yo dog, you busy tomorrow? Cause I actually have a package that come at my house. I don't want to miss it, but I have work. You can't stay at my house and just pick it up for me and me give you $150. I said, for real? Bro, what? Definitely did it. So the next day forward, we reach over the G yard. The G actually live with him girl, but them not no youth, you see me? So when me reach in the house now, I notice the two of them there home, you see me? So I say, alright, the both of them are left right now. Cool. The dog hail me and say, yo, my both left in a dog. And he say, yo, food in our fridge, which me already know that. They never have food in their house. And the game in our living room, I have nothing for, but we ever play a game in our living room. So when him cut out, him woman stay. So you know me like, so why me need to stay if your woman there, brother? Lazy woman, lazy, she can't look out for your package for you. But you know your boy Jay, I get paid, so I don't business. So I stayed. So like an hour and a half after I left me there play the game, I notice say in girl walk out of the front door and then she come back. So I never really went and meds it that hard because me I say, oh, she probably look out for your package. You see me? So cool. So I did continue to play the game now. And a second time now she walk outside. But she never come back the same time. Like, I'm like, okay, but me did I play the game done. And I say, wait, she still not fall back in the house yet. And my woman, you know, I'm not supposed to watch a woman in a package me there wait pan, but I don't know. Something just tell me if it just walk out the door. I walk out the door, and I look out. When I look out, I see one car park up in the front. So I say, okay, cool. So I go back in her chair and I did I play the game. You see me? She walk back in her house and I say, yo, how did outside this a while ago? And she said, no, I want my friend them. So me didn't know with my sarcastic self like, then hold on there. The man allow you if you have man friend that come here and look for you. The girl said, no, that's not a boy, that's a girl. Bro, this get give man bun. Me know when me see just a while ago through the glass there, when me look out there was a man inside of that car, a tough back man. And she a come tell me about that was a girl just a while ago. Nah, brother, me a snitch. No, me a inform. Cause this could have been a nice joke, but you just turn it sour. So when she said that to me, you know, automatically me know what me did there for now. Me say, alright, me know there for your package. And this me there for. And the dog knows me is a real youth, so him send me upon that mission, but him pay me so me no feel no way, so me have him. Him have me in my house sit down and watch girl. Alright, me understand, but me still have a chat. So I brush it off, you know, me play it off like a nothing, go sit down play a game, see me. And me text my dog and say, oh, my G, me know say I no package me there for, you know. But me I left, you see me, just link me when you come off of work. So he call me, I tell me about, nah, bro, it's a package, it's a package. Me say, dog, I don't know package, man, but bro, just come give me a link before you go yard, before you come when you come off of work, you see me? So the dog forward and the dog come give me a link. And I sit down and me allow for him and I say, dog, you think me an idiot, don't? And a package me no wait pan, bro. But here we go on. And I tell him I go on. And he said, dog, me know say you did go tell me truth, you know, brother. Me know, you know, brother. Literally, me know, you know, dog. Yeah, but me literally get hired for the indirect front watching and report back. And I got $150. And because it was my dog, I did report back. I done business. That's how life go. And then left. And the dog got a good woman now. Shout out to that. Shout out to me snitching.